With the rise in popularity of overlanding, we've seen a lot of different rack systems hit the market. But how do you decide which one is for you? What functions of your truck bed will you be sacrificing with a rack system? Well, today we're going to take a look at the all-new Elevate Rack system from TruXedo and what makes it unique compared to other bed rack systems. Now, this rack isn't for everyone, but we'll get to that in a minute. I'm Cody from Titan Truck, and here's what you need to know. Now, the Elevate Rack system is a telescoping bed rack ranging from 18 to 28 inches. This telescoping feature allows flexibility with your rack setup. Want to keep things low and tight to your cab? No problem. Need to raise the rack up to transport something over the cab, such as a kayak? Easy. The real unique feature about this rack is the design of the mounting system. Now, unlike some other bed rack options on the market that hard mount or bolt directly to your bed, the Elevate Rack is designed to mount using T-slot rails, meaning it works in tandem with most truck bed covers, such as the Retrax XR, the Roll & Lock M Series XT, the Undercover Ultraflex, and most TruXedo roll-up covers, which are all conveniently TruXedo brands. Coincidence? So why is this a big deal? Well, currently there are very few rack systems on the market that are compatible with truck bed covers, and the ones that are typically don't have the same range of compatibility. So if you have tools, overlanding gear, or other valuables inside your bed and want to keep them secure, you can cover them with your bed cover while still using the Elevate Rack. The crossbars also have T-slot channels on both the top and bottom for you to easily mount T-slot accessories. And as a quick side note, the overhang of the crossbars also allows for awnings to be mounted without the need for a platform, which can save you money and weight. So what if you don't have a truck bed cover or your vehicle just doesn't have a T-slot rail system? Fear not. The second part of the Elevate Rack system is the T-slot rails. These rails mount to your bed using brackets, so there's no drilling to install them. The rails include 4 tie-downs that can be positioned anywhere, along with the tie-down points integrated into the base of the rack, allowing you to set up the Elevate Rack system in a configuration that best suits your needs. With a static weight rating of 500 pounds and an off-road weight rating of 250 pounds, the Elevate Rack system is robust enough to support bikes, kayaks, baskets, ladders, or even rooftop tents. The Elevate Rack comes in a wider crossbar configuration for most full-size trucks, as well as the Gladiator, Frontier, and Tacoma, but there is a narrower configuration as well for trucks like the Canyon, Colorado, Ranger, and Maverick. No, not that Maverick, the new Maverick, I think. So who is the Elevate Rack system for and who isn't it for? Well, with a retail starting price of $779 for the rack and $189 for the optional rails, the Elevate Rack is actually priced very competitively compared to other rack systems on the market with similar features. Now, if you're someone looking to carry a lot of weight off-road or mounting gear onto the sides of your truck bed rack, then the Elevate Rack may not be a good option for you. But if you're someone looking for an adjustable option for carrying gear over your truck bed, great compatibility with T-slot accessories, or you want the ability to keep your bed secured with a truck bed cover, then the Elevate Rack system from TruXedo is the system for you. If you have questions about the Elevate Rack system, reach out to us using the information on the screen and talk to one of our experts to make sure you get the best rack system for your needs. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at TitanTruckSpokane. I'm Cody, and I will see you next time.